Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So, we are just 18 hours away from the Federal Reserve's big decision, and the entire market is watching. The question is, will the Fed cut the rates, and what does that mean for crypto? In the next 3 minutes, I'll break down why this meeting matters, the possible scenarios, and how Bitcoin and altcoins could react. So, why the rate cut matters? So, crypto is one of the most interest rate sensitive markets out there. High rates mean tighter liquidity, expensive borrowing, and less appetite for risk. And that usually hurts speculative assets like crypto. But when the Fed they cut rates, liquidity flows back in. Investors they search for higher returns. And that's when Bitcoin, Ethereum, and altcoins often thrive. In short, easier money usually equals to a stronger crypto market. So, with just 18 hours until the announcement, here are the likely outcomes that could be. So, first, it could be a 25 basis point cut, and the markets are almost fully priced in for this, as you can see on the screen. So, for a 25 basis point cut, the probability is 96.1%, and for a 50 basis point cut, the probability is 3.9%. So, if so, the 25 basis point cut is the base case. So, the markets are almost fully priced in for this, and it would likely boost the sentiments in crypto. But if there is this 3.9% chance of 50 basis point cut, it's less likely, but it could happen. So it would signal urgency from the Fed. The dollar would weaken and Bitcoin could see a strong rally, plus the crypto. And if there is no rate cut, very unlikely, it's not going to happen. But if the Feds they hold rates steady, crypto could sell off short term as traders will try to sell and liquidate your positions. So Bitcoin is likely to react first as the market positions it against the US dollar. Ethereum and large caps could follow once Bitcoin stabilizes, and especially if the market sees further easing ahead. Altcoins and DeFi tokens would benefit most in a sustained cut cycle, but they are also the most vulnerable if the Fed disappoints. So, in short, liquidity decision by the Fed will directly set the tone for the next leg of crypto cycle. With only 18 hours left until the Fed's decision, the countdown is on. A rate cut could ignite the next move in crypto, but the tone of Powell's press conference will matter just as much as the cut itself. If you found this helpful, hit the like, subscribe, and drop a comment with your predictions. Will Powell go for a 25, 50, or no rate cut at all? Right now, we have 17 hours, 56 minutes, 28 seconds left. So, thanks for watching, and I'll see you right after the Fed speaks. Thank you.